Ladies and gentlemen, here's an update of what's happening in the market so far. We are about 2.5 hours into trading on the NGX, and this is what's happening at the moment. Here's a snapshot of trading so far. On the gaining side of things, Square up 10%, CNIF up 10%, Deep Capital up 9.70%, ASO Savings still pushing up 8.86%, and Thomas Liat up 8.82%. Switching lanes to the losing side of things, you have Better Glass down 10%, Total Energies Nigeria down 10%, Aradel down 10%, Transport down 10%, and Gerigu down 10%. Aradel seems to be on stock in this zone. Let's see if it will remain so for the rest of the trading session. On the volume side of things, Tranquilizers with a huge volume traded, 53.6 million shares traded. Sovereign Trust Insurance, second place, 38.8 million shares traded. Access Corporation, 24.3 million shares traded. GTCO, 18.8 million shares traded. And Fidelity Bank takes the fifth spot with 10.5 million shares traded. To value, GTCO leads the pack with 1.71 billion naira worth of shares traded. Aradel second with 1.57 billion naira worth of shares traded. Access Corporation 564 million naira worth of shares traded. Okomu is an odd one on this list. Okomu rarely shows on the volume and value side of things. Okomu with 334 million naira worth of shares traded, and Zenith Bank fifth with 314.2 million shares traded. So let's go see what's happening, starting with the premium side of things. Is anything out of the ordinary? MGN seems to be shedding, dropping gains. Last price 509. Seplat as soft as usual intraday. Last couple of days has been soft with last price 5,909. WAPCO in the red at 140.8. And let's go look at the broad market. Anything out of the ordinary? Aradel seems to be caught in the battle between the Blues and the Bears. Currently at the moment, Aradel on full offer. Nobody's buying at this price point, which is odd because a few days ago the stock hit a 52-week high. So, well, that's the way market is. The market can be unpredictable. Beggar Paints, what do we have here with Beggar Paints? 40 naira, bid 41.15. Offer price, slight dip from yesterday. So let's see where it would close at. Today, cap 70.5, Cadbury 68.5, Champion Breeze at 15.2, Champs 3.9, Cornhole at 4.38. It's only just clicking to me that Cornhole and Sovereign Trust Insurance are about the same price level. Let's see if it sticks there during the week, and if that is the case, maybe over the weekend I'll do a comparison video. Custodian at 41.15. I think Aradel is the main player I'm seeing here. The trending stock I'm seeing so far. Is anything out of the ordinary that we need to know? Nothing at all. GTCO in the green, 90.85, up 40 kobo from yesterday's price. Guinness in the red. Why is that the case? 169.1 bid price, 170.9 offer price. That is a spread of about as a spread of 1 naira and some fraction, I think. 1 naira 80 kobo. Yeah, I think my math is correct. So it's in the red. Down that's looking like a what? Down like a 1 point something percent. A dip. Oh, it's a 7.97% dip. That's huge. Let's see if it closes there. Keja at 20 naira a share, up 1 naira from yesterday. Will it close there? Do we have the volume? 10 volumes, less than 18,000 shares traded so far. So very likely the stock will remain flat, except there's a bump in volumes. NEM at 32.3, Nestle at 1,820, Nestle dipping. Weak volume, so stock is likely to close flat. Let's see Okomo. Okomo traded fairly large volumes for this stock. Let's see the bid offer spread for Okomo. 1050.8 bids, 1080 offered. That's a spread of about what is it? Spread of 30 naira, just under 30 naira spread. slightly under 39 spread there. PZ in the red, last price 39.95. Regency Alliance Insurance 1.28 last price. So that's pretty much about it, ladies and gentlemen. I don't see anything out of the ordinary so far. Let's see what the index is doing. The index is in the red, 0.17%. If it closes here, this will be the third consecutive day of losses for this trading week. That's pretty much about it, ladies and gentlemen. See you at the end of the market trading for today.